Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is an ABS plastic piece off the Corvette, and it's got a little hairline crack in here. And I'm going to show you how I'm trying to fix these things up so that they don't spread anymore. ABS plastic is a plastic that will melt, quote, with brake cleaner. So what I'm using the brake cleaner for is to just rough up the area on the back side where I'm going to apply the plastic epoxy. So I'm going to need two hands to do this, but I'll show you when I'm done. So I just sprayed it on there, and then I took this little brass wire brush and I kind of scratched it up. I'm trying to create a surface that the plastic epoxy will stick to, it will adhere to it a little better than just shiny plastic. So that's all I did. And this is what I'm using. It doesn't specify what plastics it works on. There are probably 100 different kinds of plastic, but it I'll tell you one thing, it sticks to wood pretty good, and I think it's going to work on this plastic because there'll be like a somewhat of a chemical reaction when I put it on wet, and also I've got some grippy area there, and it looks like this ABS plastic will kind of melt into it a little bit. Anyway, I'm going to give it a try. This is two-part. I'm going to mix it up. I've been mixing it up on this wood block. So that's about it. I put it on pretty thick, but I can't put it on too thick because it has to lay flat against another piece. And I'll test it out a little bit and bend it a little bit before I put it all back together. But that's JB Weld plastic epoxy, and how Frog is using it to try to repair a few pieces. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe more to my channel if you want more from Froggy. And thanks for watching, guys and gals. See you later. Froggy out. Bye.